Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the eToro watch list. Now, this will allow you to track what's happening with different companies, ETFs, commodities, just so you can keep an eye on them, just in case they drop or just out of curiosity. Now, when you open eToro, you're going to be presented with your dashboard, okay? On that dashboard, you've obviously got your cash holdings and everything else you need. On the left-hand side, you're going to have your watch list. So if you just click on that, and it will open up straight to one titled My Watch List. That's the default watch list that they have, okay? As you can see, I've got two in here at the moment. I've got the 𝘬𝘱, which is the SP 500, and I've got Amazon. Now, it will select all on the top left-hand corner there, okay? But if you click on portfolio, it will take you to the stocks that you are actually invested in. Once again, back to all, and you've got Amazon in there, back to portfolio. That means that the 𝘬𝘱 I am actually invested in. I don't have any shares in Amazon at the moment, okay? You've then got just stocks as well if you just want to view a stock, and you've got ETFs. So you can actually break these down. And if you bought, say, gold as a commodity or silver, a commodities option there will appear as well. Honestly, market open, I have no idea. I've tried figuring that out. I have Googled it. I don't know what market open is, and I am going to talk to eToro to say, what the hell is this? Because I can't figure out what it is. I know what market open is, but I don't know what it is. Anyway, swiftly moving on. If you go to all, obviously you've got your ticker symbol and the name of the stock on the left-hand side. If you move along here, you've got this cool little pie. If you scroll over the pie, it will give you the investment that you have in that company at that point in time, or in that ETF. So you'll see your profit and loss, and you'll see the value in total. You can then see the one-day change. You've got a nice little chart there as well. You can buy directly from here if you want to. You can short it or you can buy it. Open this up and your normal buying pop-up window will appear. On the right-hand side, you've also got sentiment right here. Now, this will tell you how many investors on eToro are actually buying the 𝘬𝘱 or invested in it. So right now it says 4.61% of our investors are invested in 𝘬𝘱. If you go to Amazon, 12.73% of the investors are invested in Amazon at that point in time on eToro. That's awesome. And it will tell you how many have buy positions and how many have sell positions as well. Really powerful if you want to know what else is happening in the market or what's happening with other people on eToro. You can either cycle through commodities, cryptocurrencies, anything you want, and add that straight in just by clicking on the plus button there, okay? On the right of that, you've got your filter, and that will literally just remove the filter at the top of the screen, as you can see there. And then you've got these squares, which is the display. So you can change that into the tile display, or you can choose a list. I prefer a list over a tile. I find it's a little bit confusing for my brain. It's just too much going on at one point. I'd rather have a list of everything that's going on. From here, you can rearrange them. You can go straight into your professional charts, and you can actually set a watch list as your default. So this is set as my default for the demo. But if you move over to, say, my portfolio, and you change this to set as default, it will make sure that whenever you open your watch list, it will come straight to here. This is my portfolio, and it will open this straight away. From here, you can set your price alerts, and then you've got something called one-click trading. And I'm going to go into a little bit more detail about that now. If you turn on one-click trading, you'll notice that, from what you can see, nothing has changed. It's exactly the same, but if you go to your settings and you click on trading, you'll have something in here called one-click trading. I've switched this on, okay? And if you go to here, you could type any stock you want, say 𝘬𝘱 or Amazon. I've got Amazon in here. If you add it and you go to edit, you can put an amount in here. So one-click trading means that when you click it just once, it will open a position instantly for that amount. So say you put $10 and you save the settings. When you go back to your watch list, if you click buy, it will instantly open that as a $10. If you change that to say $100, it will instantly open it as $100. You have to add the stock symbol in there to do that. It won't just do it over everything. You have to add the stock and change the amount, and it will update it for you. So if you like to trade quite quickly, or you know exactly how much you're going to buy, just customize them all and you can just click it instantly. One click, bang, done. Easy, 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 easy. Now, interestingly enough, as you can see here, I've got my watch list. I've got copiers, so I look at other people. I've got my portfolio, what's happening with the Russell 2000, the index, everything else. You can go down to the bottom here and you can click on create new list, okay? Boom. Add a new list in there, whatever you want, and you can create it from there. Otherwise, you can just go to, say, Amazon, and top right-hand corner, you can, if you're on a stock and you want to create a new one at that point in time, click on add to list, and then it will create a new one for you. Also from here, you can set an alert. So if you click on alert, you can set the amount you want. Let's say we want to do, I don't know, let's say we're going to do 210. There you go. So we set an alert on Amazon at 210. When that hits 210, it will give me an alert. Now, you can't see it anywhere in here, but if you click on Amazon and go to the dashboard, underneath the chart, it says set price alert. And on there, you can just click on manage, and there is your current alert that you set in your watch list. So you have to go to the dashboard, and from there, you can see the price alert. So that's it. Super quick, super easy. Their watch list is really powerful if you want to keep an eye on different companies or ETF or commodities, just to understand what's happening in the market. Now, if you found this tutorial useful, please do subscribe, when I'll be releasing more tutorials and feature releases on eToro and some other platforms as well. If you have any questions, please do comment below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. And if you want to just try eToro to see what the platform is like, there's a link below to my demo where you can click on that. It will take you through and you get $100,000 in play money just to play around with the platform to see what it's like. Once again, any questions, comment below and I'll get straight back to you. Have a great day.